Hello farmers. Welcome to episode 1 on early pig care. Introduction. The weaning and the first week after that is a stressful period for the piglets. They are separated from their dam and transported to a different location, mixed with piglets from different litters, associated with nutritional and physical changes in their diet. On top of that, a variable percentage of the newly weaned piglets will have problems to start to drink and to eat in the first 2 to 3 days after placement. Thus, the first week post-weaning is a critical stage in the pig's development and has the ability to influence the percentage of full-value marketed pigs, and should not be overlooked. Transport and handling. To avoid injury and lameness, weaned pigs should be handled gently, from weaning to the placement in nursery or wean to finish, including holding, if any. Do not drop or toss pigs. Pigs should not be picked up or carried by the front legs. At loading and unloading there should be no gaps between chute and trailer that can catch a pig's leg. Trailers should be well bedded and ventilation should be set up for weather conditions before pigs are loaded. Provide 0.06 square meters of trailer space per pig. Loading chute and chute area should be clean and dry. If pigs slip, then some form of traction should be added. Weaned pigs should be handled with care. Injuries at this stage will reduce overall number of full-value pigs. Facilities preparation. All-in all-out by site is preferred. If all-in all-out by site not possible, all-in all-out by barn is a minimum requirement. Passive immunity to some pathogens begins to decline to very low levels by 3 weeks of age. Active immunity begins to build at 3 weeks of age, however an effective immune response can take longer. Pathogens left by the previous group can present a challenge that newly weaned pigs are poorly equipped to handle. For those reasons, rooms should be cleaned, inspected, and dried prior to placement. All clothing and equipment, as well as the office, should be cleaned between groups. Room and zone temperatures should be achieved 12 hours prior to pig arrival for minimum stress in the new environment. Maintenance should be completed on the barn prior to fill. Several weeks prior to closeout, preparations for maintenance need to be implemented. Do not forget to wash and disinfect the loading/unloading chute after the building is emptied and prior to receive a new load of weaned piglets. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the future videos. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.